and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my Thanksgiving Day get ready with me. So my eyebrows are already done, so I'm just moving on to primer, and I'm using my Makeup Revolution eyelid primer, eyeshadow primer. I got this in the advent calendar last year. I know I still have it, but I really love it. So for my eyeshadow today, I'm using the BH Cosmetics Nuevo Neutrals palette, and I'm going in with this really light brown shade first in the crease. None of these shadows have names, so I'm going to describe them as best as I can. Next, I'm going in with that brown and like a rosier tone and just popping that in the crease as well using my Morphe M441 brush. Then I'm going in with a darker brown in the same two colors and just adding that to the crease and really focusing it in the crease to add more depth to the look. Next, I'm going in with my Sonia Kashuk blending brush just to blend it out, but this just was not doing it for me. I don't know, it still didn't look good, so now I'm going in with a Morphe brush just to really smoke everything out. I used this a lot in my last tutorial that I did. So next I'm going in with the lid shade, which is just this really pretty champagne-y color. Just nice and neutral, like the name of the palette. This was my first time using the palette and I loved it. So now I'm going in with all three crease shades and using a dome brush and just putting that on the outer V just to make everything go together nicely. And then I'm just blending it one more time. Now I'm going back in with my primer and putting that on the lower lash line and blending it out with an Equal Tools sponge so I can apply shadow to my lower lash line. And again, going in with those same three crease colors, just blending that along the lower lash line. And then I'm going to take a BH blending brush just to really smoke it all out. Next, I'm going in with my NYX Wonder pencil and popping that in the waterline. Now I am going in with my mascaras. So first I'm just curling my lashes. Then I'm going to prime my eyelashes with my L'Oreal Voluminous Eye Primer. Pretty sure that's the name. Once that was all dried, I'm going in with my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. As you can see here, my tube has been so super clumpy and I don't know why. It's really bugging me and I kind of want to get a new one, but then like I kind of don't. I don't know why it's so clumpy. Has this happened to anyone else? And then once I'm done applying that, I'm going with my Wet n Wild Max Volume Waterproof Mascara, which I love so much. Next, to prime my face, I'm using my Catrice Light Correcting Primer Serum. I have a foundation routine coming up more in depth, so yeah, stay tuned for that. So I'm just popping that on my face and then blending it out with a Real Techniques sponge. I really like doing this. It feels so good on my face. For foundation today, I used the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation, so I'm just popping that on my face. And my application was not good. I kept covering myself with the mirror, so I'm just using my Eco Tools sponge to blend it out, and this was just like the best footage that I got of it. I'm very sorry. But like I said, I have a foundation routine coming up, so hopefully that's better. Next, I'm going with my bronzers, and I mixed my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and my Makeup Revolution Bronzer together. I am trying to project pan my Makeup Revolution Bronzer, and to apply this, I am using a Sonia Kashuk brush. It doesn't have a name. I got it in a brush set from Target like a while ago. Next, I'm just using the middle blush shade from the Nuevo Neutrals palette, and I really liked this blush. It was really pretty. And then for highlight today, I'm using the Mirabella highlight that I got in my Yes Oh Yes bag. Love this so much. First, I mist my face before I apply it, and it's gorgeous. If you haven't entered my giveaway yet, go enter. It is ending next weekend. That is linked down below. You can win an Aesthetica lip palette. And then once I'm done applying my highlight, I spray my face again and go over my highlight with a sponge just to really melt it into the skin, and it's my favorite thing to do ever. And then for lips today, I am using the Illuminate Cosmetics liquid lipstick. I think this is in NYC. I could be wrong. If I am wrong, I will leave it linked down below. I really forget the name. And that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave some video suggestions if you have any down below. And I will see you guys on Wednesday with a new video. Bye.